In the mid-19th century, a seemingly simple series of dots and dashes forever changed the course of communication. This was Morse code, a groundbreaking system developed by Samuel Morse and Alfred Vail, which transformed how we conveyed messages over long distances. Prior to Morse code, sending messages relied on unreliable and slow methods like handwritten letters. The introduction of Morse code, coupled with the telegraph, allowed instantaneous communication across continents, revolutionizing global interactions. It relied on a binary system of long and short signals, which could be transmitted over wires using electrical impulses. This innovative system enabled precise and efficient communication, becoming a universal language of sorts for operators worldwide. Morse code played a crucial role in pivotal moments in history, including wartime strategies and maritime distress signals, most famously the SOS call. Its impact was profound, laying the groundwork for future technological advancements in communication. Even today, Morse code holds a nostalgic yet revered place in the annals of technological evolution, reminding us of a time when a few simple signals bridged vast distances and connected the world in ways previously unimaginable.